IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you like using new technology? Band 5 answer.
Yes, I like it. I use my phone every day. I think new technology is good because it helps me, but sometimes it is difficult for me.
Why is this a band 5? Short, basic sentences. Limited vocabulary. Phone, good, difficult. Grammar mostly simple and repetitive. Doesn't expand ideas fully, but addresses the question. Band 7.5 answer.
Yes, I enjoy using new technology, especially smartphones and laptops, because they make my daily life much easier. For example, I can quickly connect with my students online and also manage my schedule more efficiently. However, sometimes I find it a bit challenging to keep up when new updates or devices are released so often.
Why is this a band 7.5? Expands on ideas with examples. Good range of vocabulary. Manage my schedule. Connect. Updates. Some complexity in grammar. Subordinate clauses. Slight hesitation or lack of depth may prevent Band 8+. Band 9 answer.
I absolutely love exploring new technology because it often transforms the way I work and communicate. For instance, innovative educational apps and online platforms allow me to create engaging lessons for my students, which would have been impossible a decade ago. At the same time, I'm aware that technology evolves so rapidly that it can feel overwhelming. But I actually enjoy that challenge because it keeps me learning continuously.
Why is this a Band 9? Fully developed, nuanced answer with both positive and balanced points. Wide lexical range. Transform, innovative, overwhelming, continuously. Flexible and precise grammar with complex structures. Sounds natural, fluent, and confident. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.